Once you have been verified and you are ready to transfer Bitcoin from your exchange, whether it's KuCoin or crypto or Coinbase or whatever, you'll log into app.cakedefi.com and you're going to go to your wallets. So to find your wallets over on the right hand side, click on the little hat and go to balances. And then if you have it to hide zero balances, you won't see everything, but so make sure that this is to show everything. And then whichever coin you are transferring, I usually work in Bitcoin. You're actually going to go click on this purple deposit. And this is where you get your address to transfer your Bitcoin. So you can just copy this. You can do this from your phone, so it's easier. However, just make sure you're on the Bitcoin network from your exchange or wallet that you're transferring from to keep it here. So you can either copy this and be on your phone, or within your phone, if you're using desktop and phone, just scan this QR code and it will send you will be able to send yourself the Bitcoin or DeFi or whatever one you're actually sending. Just confirm you have the correct transfer network.